You understand?
Take the boat. It is this one. This ano?
The machine.
Asya, ang ganda ah.
The boat. Then you come outside and put in this ramp.
Re. Look, the ano jet ski. Ala, naligaw na kami.
Rent. You see the jet ski?
Jet ski rent.
Rent.
By coins, re. By coins on.
Look how camera have this corner. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 4.
see?
4.
And another
Mga
up,
ano yan,
another
no?
there, another.
This is
Then
residence.
You buy a house
Ang
here.
dami, oh.
You break up the money.
Siya ang taga ano. Siya ang ano ko, tourist guide. You're my tourist guide now. Okay, speak. Ito, look, like, ne. Like in Italy, ne. Look, ayan, how, ooh.
House everywhere. In the
House
sea.
everywhere
in the sea. This in the sea.
No, I know.
More, they are more expensive.
I know we have like this in MOA. Like MOA. Diba meron tayong ganyan? Sige, mahulog ang phone ko. Ayan, jet ski. Oh, gutom siya sa jet ski, oh. Galing niya magpatakbo ng jet ski. First aid, my first aid. Wow. Santo Mispa. Ganda, no? It's very calm. Calm when it's nighttime. Okay. Sanctum Spa Fitness. Kumbaga dito kami dumaan sa ano, doon sa highway. Here you go. Opa. Boat. Boat is a boat.
Boat.
Speedboat.
Huh?
Okay. Ay, spa pala sa taas.
Spa is up.
Don't fall down. Huh? What is this? I for first aid. Maybe, ne? Ambulance like something. Private, ano eh. Ayun nga, rescue. Sira. Search and rescue na operation. Here you go. Ayan. Marami siyang mga ano. Ay, tingnan mo yung ano, restaurant, no? Sa gitna. Wow! Napakayaman naman yan. Wow. Tingnan mo. Magkano ka ng ano dyan? Mga ano to eh, oh, mga restaurant na ano, look. Look, restaurant na ano. Mayayaman. Tingnan mo, oh. Look, ay nima.
Look this boat.
You have dinner there. Ano? I can dinner. You have date dinner.
And down you have a
Yaman niya.
room.
Rich people. Maybe millionaire to them. Millionaire. Why is blue? Tangina, millionaire yun eh. I think it's millionaire this month.